Hi, my name's Ian Beattie. I played Sir Meryn Trant in 5 seasons of HBO's Game of Thrones. I'm here today at the Linen Mills studio, just outside Belfast, at the Game of Thrones studio tour. This is the only tour in the world with Game of Thrones involved. We have all the sets here, the original sets that we actually walked on, the costumes that we wore, the special effects, you name it, we've got it here. So if you're visiting Northern Ireland, please, please, please take a day to come along to the Game of Thrones studio tour. I guarantee you, whether you're a fan of the show or whether you're not, you will not be disappointed. You will get an insight into how the series was made and everything to do with the series.
In that scene to sell the idea of the space, and then once we have drawn so the breakdown is everything as construction also involves come through the past.
En zijn door op een los en 4 versies en nog goed gleison.
We do get inspiration from other areas. We had a buying team go to Morocco, especially for the Dothraki look. There's a lot of nice sort of Moroccan style textures and all the bamboo. A lot of props we got made in India. The textiles in India is fantastic, and the colours. It's just the scope of it. There's so many sets in each season. So the amazing thing is just all the teams pulling together and getting it done on time. You do get everything from the script, really.
Really around the world and trying to relate it to a different area.
The only thing is it takes a lot of time and a lot of planning, and shooting the blue train battle and the shots of what ended up being the dragon fire blasting the wagons to pieces, and that was very complicated.
The strafe run was 150 feet long and had 15 rows of charges. It's a technically challenging thing to do.
please, if you're visiting Northern Ireland, make sure you visit the Game of Thrones Studio Tour.